Incident response service. We're normally the first responders to incidents. It's in our best interest to make sure the road's as clear as it can be and as soon as it can be, so we can get that free-flowing traffic. I'd like to welcome them all. The people being in-house and having a direct line with them is a big benefit for Main Roads. We will provide you with a good level of training. We'll provide you with the opportunity to seek other areas within Main Roads, but also develop them for any ongoing career they may wish to have.
I always even tell the crew, I'm like, we have the best job in the world, honestly. Every day is different, which is amazing to do. I've been 7 years with the service and 5 companies now, so this is my 5th and final, please God. So now brought in-houses, yeah, it means job security and everything like that for us.
Everyone's quite excited about joining Main Roads. It's a good feeling. It's definitely a tick box. Working within Main Roads, you can move around to different sections. It's a good career with Main Roads and hopefully retire once it comes to that stage, but yeah.
Personally, it's been a long time dream of mine just to be part of the government sector. I always used to notice the incident response vehicles and say to myself, one day I want to be part of that team. I believe the sky's the limit once we get over to Main Roads. I'm just really proud to wear the uniform. I'm proud of what we do and the service that we provide and how we're able to help people in so many different ways. You know what it's like if you love your job, it doesn't feel like it's a job.